TUT coin is extending its recent strength today, with the price trading around $0.078 after climbing approximately 18%. The latest move shows that buying pressure remains elevated and that the token is continuing to attract strong short-term attention. After another sizable daily gain, the important question is no longer simply how much TUT has risen, but whether the market can maintain these higher prices. Continued strength without an immediate reversal could indicate that buyers are becoming more confident in the current range. The $0.078 level now stands out as an important reference point. If TUT holds near this price, it could potentially become a new base for another upward attempt. A strong rejection, however, could trigger profit-taking after the recent rally. Today's move may attract additional momentum traders, but that can work in both directions. More participation can support the rally, while aggressive profit-taking can create sudden pullbacks and increased volatility. TUT's next moves can be influenced by project developments, ecosystem activity, adoption, community interest, liquidity, and overall cryptocurrency sentiment. Sustained market attention could help maintain the current momentum if broader conditions remain favorable. Bitcoin and the wider crypto market will also remain important. Continued strength across major cryptocurrencies could provide TUT with additional support, while a sudden market-wide downturn could pressure the token despite its recent gains. The key area to watch is $0.078. If buyers defend this level, the short-term structure could remain positive. If the price quickly falls back below it, the market may need time to consolidate after the recent advances. For now, TUT coin is trading around $0.078 and is up approximately 18% today. The token has gained substantial momentum, but holding today's progress will be the real test. If buying pressure remains strong, TUT could potentially explore higher levels in the coming sessions. On the other hand, profit-taking could cause a temporary retracement before another attempt higher. Overall, TUT's 18% rise today is another notable move, and the reaction around $0.078 could provide an important clue about whether the current momentum can continue.